Ever since the dawn of mankind, dreams of creating beings in our own likeness have stirred our imagination. The ancient civilizations whispered tales of clay men brought to life through incantations, or bronze automatons that moved with the precision of a clockwork universe. Our ancestors were laying the foundation of a vision that we thousands of years later would begin to realize in the pages of history. Greek playwrights and poets spoke of gods granting life to lifeless forms. These tales weren't mere stories, but the embodiment of a human aspiration to forge life, intelligence, and agency from the lifeless. Literature, spanning across centuries, served as both a precursor and mirror to this aspiration. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein is a testament to this dream and its potential pitfalls. Not just a tale of a man playing God, it's an exploration of creation, consciousness, and consequence. These musings weren't confined to Gothic tales. As industrialization transformed societies and steam engines roared to life, so did visions of mechanical men and women. A Czech play introduced the term robot to the world. However, these robots, made from synthetic organic matter, were more an exploration of labor, rights, and humanity than of mechanics. Amid this backdrop, a world war raged on, and amongst its shadows, a mathematician named Alan Turing posed an innocuous question: can machines think? Turing didn't just speculate, he acted. He laid down a conceptual foundation for modern computing and AI. The universal Turing machine wasn't just an academic concept. It was a vision of the future, a world where all processes of formal reasoning could be simulated by digital machines. But Turing's genius wasn't just confined to abstraction. He proposed the Turing test, a simple yet profound method to determine if a machine could be termed intelligent. More than just a test, it was a philosophical exploration. Turing delved into what it means to think, to understand, and to be conscious. The close of the World War brought forth new opportunities. Across the Atlantic, in a serene setting in Dartmouth, a new vision was being crafted. Brilliant minds, McCarthy, Minsky, Newell, and others, assembled over discussions, debates, and brainstorming sessions. A field was christened artificial intelligence. These were the architects of the future, envisioning a time when machines could reason, learn, perceive, and act just as humans do. The following decades were pulsating with activity. We bore witness to the birth of AI languages, tools, and the very first AI programs. Machines began to play games, understand snippets of English, and even mimic human problem solving. But in this rapid ascent, certain fundamental challenges were overlooked: the sheer vastness of common sense knowledge, the intricacies of natural languages, the subtleties of human perception. These were grossly underestimated. The high hopes of the 1970s gave way to the disillusion of the 80s. Funding dwindled and skepticism grew, leading to what is commonly termed as the AI winter. Yet, like nature's seasons, this winter was just a phase. The subsequent years witnessed a paradigm shift. Rather than merely programming machines, researchers began teaching them to learn. Algorithms, fed with data, started finding patterns, making decisions, and evolving. This shift from rule-based systems to data-driven ones was monumental. The late 20th century saw reinforcement learning, neural networks, backpropagation, and a slew of algorithms taking center stage, machines were no longer just tools. They were learners, adapting to their environment, evolving with every piece of data. The new millennium ushered in the golden age of AI. With internet proliferation, data became the new oil. Machines read, understood, and wrote text, recognized and generated images, perceived and produced sounds. Notable milestones were achieved. IBM's Deep Blue, a machine, defeated Garry Kasparov. The world watched in awe with increasing computational power. Particularly the advent of GPS, deep learning became the cornerstone of modern AI. Neural networks, inspired by human brains, began processing vast amounts of data, achieving unprecedented accuracies. Yet, every story has its challenges in this grand narrative. They came in the form of biases, ethical dilemmas, and societal impacts. Machines, as reflections of their creators and the data they were fed, sometimes inherited societal prejudices. AI systems being employed in critical areas, healthcare, finance, law enforcement, had profound implications. Deepfakes blurred the lines between reality and fabrication. The world of today stands on the cusp of further AI integration. With advancements in quantum computing, we might be on the brink of another paradigm shift. Moreover, as we delve deeper into the human brain, through initiatives like the Human Brain Project, we might uncover secrets that lead to the next generation of AI systems. This journey, spanning across millennia, traversing tales of myths, the corridors of academic institutions, the labs of researchers, and the vast digital landscape of the Internet, is a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, resilience, and vision. We've come a long way, but the road ahead is even more exhilarating. In concluding this odyssey, remember this: the AI journey is interwoven with our own. It's a reflection of our desires, aspiration, strengths, and weaknesses. As we forge ahead, it's incumbent upon us to guide this journey with wisdom, foresight, ethics, and compassion.